how to prep your skin before makeup. 5 minutes of skin preparation. It's the most important thing before you try putting on makeup. So stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel and you've never been here before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also the notification bell for all. And that way you don't miss any of my videos. Supporting my channel is the biggest thing you can do for me. And today, I have a gift for you just for subscribing to my channel and tapping that bell notification. Stay with me to the end and learn how you can grab yours. All right, well, if you're here with me every week, then you know what's next and you know what to do. So get your makeup bag, starting out with your skincare set. And let's go ahead, get ready with this 5-minute look. So how to prep your skin. Follow this routine daily and you will fall in love with your skin. I have combination skin, so one of my best things to do is to make sure that I super clean my skin, and I use the TimeWise Repair Cleanser. It's a foaming cleanser. Use it with my Skin Vigorette brush. Hydrated, luxurious. So the second thing you want to do is you want to go and you want to make sure that you moisturize. Now, in the TimeWise Repair system, we have a couple of specific items. Now, I add a few different products to it, but we're going to just keep it really basic. So the second item you use is the Volume Firm Lifting Serum. And the reason for this is because it will lift. It will also add a little bit of plumpness to any of my fine lines. So just a couple squirts, and then you pat it on and always put it in. Stay away from the eyes. Remember, we have cucumbers around our eyes. I tell you that all the time. And then the next item I use is my firming eye cream. Absolutely love the firming eye cream and can't go without it. Just take and put a few taps underneath and on top. Rub it in. It will get rid of puffiness. It will get rid of darker areas, and it will give your eyes that 12-hour hydration. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use our day cream. Now, this has SPF in it. It will hydrate for 12 hours, using the day throughout the daytime and using the night when I go to bed. I will keep my skin hydrated for 24 hours, and it loves it. It just soaks it all in. Once the moisturizer has soaked in, penetrated in my skin, and it feels like it's pretty much, I use my setting spray. I do this after my moisturizer, before my primer. And the reason I do that is because it helps control the oil, all right? Keeps my foundation where I want it. So, just a couple of mists. Just let it dry, let it dry, let it dry. And then I follow up with my foundation primer. If you have never tried a foundation primer before your foundation, do that. You can get that down in my description. And for those of you that are new to this or new to my channel, I use the foundation primer because it puts and keeps everything in place. It also helps smooth my foundation on, specifically around my mouth and on my sides where I have a few little extra fine lines. So that's dried, and I've given it time. So now I'm going to follow up with my foundation. All right, so now that we've done the skin prep, so go ahead, hit the subscribe button, but don't forget to hit that notification bell for all, so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Remember, at the beginning I mentioned a gift, so down below in the description, there's a link. It says gift link. Tap on it, fill it in, and I will send you the perfect gift. And I'll see you at my next video.